Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, remove any case and wipe the edges because pressure points or debris often block touch. Once done, press and hold power for about 10 seconds to force a reboot. This clears many software freezes. If the screen stays unresponsive, try a firm stylus or a glove fingertip to rule out capacitive failure. Make sure ports are dry and avoid repeating rapid taps. Repeated inputs can confuse the touchscreen controller and delay recovery. If reboot didn't help, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. Hold power, then long press power off until safe mode appears, tap it and observe. Once in safe mode, uninstall recent apps that might hijack input. If safe mode is unreachable, use ADB commands, but only if USB debugging was enabled earlier, otherwise skip to hardware measures. You can also let the battery fully drain, then charge for 10 to 15 minutes and restart, because some controllers reset only after full power cycle. As a last resort, perform a factory reset from recovery mode. Back up first if possible because this erases data. Once done, power off and gently press around the screen edge to reseat loose display connectors. This can restore touch if the digitizer came slightly unseated. If touch remains dead after those steps, you likely need a digitizer or board repair. Make sure to tell the technician what you tried. Troubleshooting tip: if the display works but touch doesn't, focus on digitizer replacement rather than the LCD.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.